All right, so this is a mushroom massage tool. I got this because I was having a lot of tension in my neck and throughout my body. So I got this to help me out. It is made of 100% wood, so it's very solid. The handle is easy to grip, and how it's shaped, it does not slip out of my hand. Each individual nodule is held in tightly, and the nodules get into those muscle fibers to help release the tension. This massager is 5.5 inches by 4.3 inches. Now, the bonus that it has helped me with is my cellulite. I use this on my neck, my arms, my thighs, and my buttocks. I'm just going to show you in ways that you can use it. All right, so a lot of times I use it on my arms. Just take it and gently massage. You don't want to do it too hard because it could leave pain and bruising. Just enough to get the job done. Okay, I've also used it on my stomach. And to be honest, it has helped move my bowels as well. All right, so my inner thighs and my outer and mid thighs. Okay, I usually just do a circular motion and it gets the job done. This whole thing is probably a little over a half a pound, so not heavy at all.